Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. Today we are doing something different. The summer is here and this is the prime time to work on junipers. The junipers are in full growth now, so we can cut and shape them. Let us see what can we do almost only with scissors. I will cut back all the weak and unperspective branches like this one here, which is growing in the shadow of the branch above it, and of course I will also cut back all the overgrown branches. Shortening the shoots and especially cleaning the foliage on the underside of the branches is the most important task in this process. This helps maintain essential empty space between individual branches and gives the canopy a more defined structure. Over the years, some branches may become too long and need to be shortened, or in some cases removed entirely. Here on the top I found some wires cutting into the bark, so I must remove them and probably replace them. So this will not only be the cutting but also a little bit of wiring. Okay, what I want to do next is cleaning the bark a little bit and especially cleaning and painting the deadwood. First, I remove the flakes of old bark, then I clean the bark with water and a sponge. What would be considered almost sacrilegious on a pine, for example, is standard practice on junipers and yews. After cleaning, the smooth bark creates a striking contrast with the white deadwood, which I also clean using a special tool. And this is the result of the summer maintenance on this juniper. This was not some kind of restyling or something similar, just regular maintenance. And with that, we didn't reach the end of this video yet, because I want to work on another one. This is the iconic Itoigawa juniper from my collection, and I want to do the similar work also on this one, so just maintenance, then cleaning and painting the deadwood. And also the work on this tree is done. Again in shape and ready to be admired. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.